How to easily change or update your Facebook page URL. So to start, we'll just have to open our browser and then search for facebook.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, make sure that you have selected your Facebook page. To do that, we'll have to tap on this profile icon, and as you can see, I have already selected mine. All I need to do is to tap on this one, and then in here, we'll have to go to this part here, Manage Page. In here, we'll have to scroll down and tap on the Settings option. And then after that, under Settings and Privacy, we'll have to scroll down and look for this option, Page Setup. In here, go to this Name option and then tap on this View option. After that, it will give you two choices, name and then your username. So, to change or update your Facebook page URL, all we need to do is to edit our username. Basically, our Facebook page username is also our Facebook page URL. So to do that, we'll have to tap on this edit option, and then in here, we'll have to input our new username. So as an example, I'm gonna type here Wixie Angel, and as you can see on top, it automatically updated my Facebook page URL. So to save the changes, all we need to do is to tap on the Save Changes option, and then after that, we'll be asked to input our password. Once we're done, we'll have to tap on the Submit option to completely save the changes. So that's how easy you can change or update your Facebook page URL. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!